Welcome to the How To Studio. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove extra space from your text in Microsoft Word. So here we have a document where I have some spacing on different areas of my text. Some space are smaller while some are bigger. So if you have a document that's filled with spacing, different length of spacing, this trick will show you how you can remove that spacing from your document. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to click on the Home tab, and then you're going to click on Replace, or on your keyboard, you can press Control and H. So let's click on Replace. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure that you go to the Replace tab. And then you're going to click on More. And you're going to make sure that you select Use Wildcard. And then once you select use wildcard, you're going to enter this function into this space right here. You're going to put a square bracket, space, square bracket, a brace, then the number 2, a comma, and another brace. So this is saying that find any space that's 2 spaces or more. And then what we're going to do is we're going to replace it with 1 space. So this is saying that we're going to replace any space that's 2 spaces or more, and we're going to replace it with 1 space. So you're just going to put 1 space on in this area right here. And then you can go ahead and click replace. As you can see, when I click replace, it removed the space. I'm going to do it for this one too. And if you want to apply it across your entire document, all you have to do is press Replace All. And as you can see with my document, all the spaces, the extra spacing has been removed. So that's how you remove extra spacing from your document. If this video was helpful for you, please like it and also consider subscribing. Also leave a comment section, also leave a comment in the comment section below if this was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.